Am I audible to everyone? Can you hear me? Piche? Okay. Good morning to all of you, respected sir, and all the aspirants. I am Major V.S. Chandel. I belong to this place, and I have put in 7.5 years of service. He is my younger brother, Lieutenant Ridhan Chandel. He just got commissioned a week prior from IMA. I'm probably standing here because of a tradition which is there in my family of joining the armed forces. We both are third generation officers now. My grandfather, Colonel K.K. Singh, he joined the forces in 62, and thereafter my father, who's presently serving, he joined the army in 88, and thereafter I joined in 2016, and my brother joined in 2023. All of you, as I can see, are aspirants to join the forces. I can tell you one thing, that it's a right choice. The first step which you have taken to join taking a decision of joining the armed forces is a very right decision. It is a profession which will offer you both the professional satisfaction as well as personal development as well, to be very honest. In every sphere, whether it is your communication, your conduct, your management skills, everything will be tested and honed. So the only thing required from you right now is that, as all of your aspirants, you are working towards your selection. You need to be extremely focused. Your aim should be very much singular, that you want to get selected and you want to be in the academy. And to be very honest, I have taken the necessary guidance from Arun Shukla sir when I was appearing for NDA, and it really helped me. So, going as per his guidance, learning things from him is definitely going to help you and make you more competent for the exam and the service selection board. Understood? So secondly, what is required is focus. Please focus. You have to work hard. You have to burn the midnight oil and work dedicatedly towards this goal of yours. The selection parameters are set. They are never diluted. So you have to match up to their standards. And I believe all of you can do it, because the people who have got selected, जो आपसे पहले भी सेलेक्ट होकर गए हैं यहाँ से, ऐसा नहीं है कि वो कोई अलग थे या किसी दूसरी दुनिया से आए थे. आप ही की तरह थे, मेरे जैसे थे. The only difference was, जिनका हुआ और जिनका नहीं हुआ, was dedication and focus. Dedication and focus towards learning the correct thing. As in, when आप ये चीज़ समझ जाएंगे, you will be able to crack any written exam, any SSB, and subsequently in service also you need to keep the same attitude and approach. So you will be able to do well in army also, or Air Force, Navy, whatever you are intending to aspire. And to be honest, there might be times where you might not be able to clear it in the first go. Let's talk practically थोड़ा सा. अभी ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप सबका ही पहले अटेम्प्ट में हो जाए, ठीक है? तो डिसअपॉइंटमेंट थोड़ी होगी, ऑब्वियस सी बात है, हम सब ह्यूमंस हैं, थोड़ा सा डिसअपॉइंटमेंट होता है, यार सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ. 2 दिन डिसअपॉइंट रहो, तीसरे दिन गेट बैक ऑन टू ट्रैक, एनालाइज आपने क्या गलत किया है, वापस प्रिपरेशन करो, ठीक है? इट इज़ गिव अप नहीं करना है, एंड फोकस अपना मेंटेन रखना है. ऐसे मैंने कहा, आपका एम शुड बी सिंगुलर, दैट इज टू गेट सेलेक्टेड. नाउ आज से आप जो भी आप वो काम कर रहे हैं, जस्ट मेक इट्स वेरी वेरी सिंपल. मैंने सेलेक्ट होना है, तो आप कुछ भी काम कर रहे हैं, बस एक बार सोचो, अगर मैं ये काम करने से क्या मेरा सिलेक्शन में हेल्प करेगा? अगर आपको पता है आंसर यस है, तो आप वो काम करो. आपको लगता है ये करने से मेरा सिलेक्शन में हेल्प नहीं करेगा, वो काम नहीं करना है. एज सिंपल एज दैट. मैं एग्जांपल दे देता हूँ. अगर आप आजकल सभी के साथ है, सब मोबाइल पे बहुत टाइम यूज़ करते हैं. आपको लग रहा है कि मोबाइल पे ज़्यादा टाइम मैं लगा रहा हूँ, क्या ये मेरे सिलेक्शन में हेल्प कर रहा है? Will it help me in preparation? Will it help me in my written exam? If you think the answer is yes, please. बट इफ़ यू सी कि नहीं, मेरा टाइम इसमें वेस्ट हो रहा है, ये टाइम मैं अपनी प्रिपरेशन के तरफ डाइवर्ट कर सकता हूँ, stop, keep your mobile phone to a side and start preparing. Yeah, it's and not just about working hard. There are people who work hard, lot of people who work hard. Hard work is one of the requirements to get selected, but hard working attitude in the correct direction, that is more important. Please keep this in mind. That's all from my side. Thank you. Wishing you all the very best for your exam and your selection. Thank you.